Welcome to Science Class! Good morning! Today we're going to learn another form of energy, which is sound. For today's learning objectives, I can describe how vibrations produce sounds. I can compare the pitch and volume of a sound. Before we talk about sounds, let's have a quick revision about heat conductor and heat insulator. A conductor is a material that heat moves through easily. An insulator is a material that heat does not move through easily. Now let's start with a metal spoon. Is a metal spoon a conductor or an insulator? It is a conductor. How about wooden spoon? A wooden spoon is an insulator. How about these woolen yarns? They are insulators. How about a dirham coin? It is a conductor. How about a glass? A glass is a conductor, and a foam cup is an insulator. Remember, materials such as metal, glass are good conductors. Cotton, wool, wood, and some plastics are good insulators. Did you get all these answers right? Well done! Forms of energy: thermal energy, sound energy, light energy, and electrical energy. So far, we had finished discussing about thermal or heat energy. Today, we're going to learn another form of energy, which is sound energy. Sound is a form of energy that comes from objects that vibrate. To vibrate is to move back and forth quickly. Look at the violin string. It moves back and forth. It is vibrating. Thus, it makes sound. Now touch your throat and hum. Hum. Do you feel it vibrating? The muscles inside your throat vibrate. That's why you make sounds. Anything that vibrates produces sound. Sound travels through waves called sound waves. Sound waves move through air. You hear the sound when the sound waves reach your ear. Sound waves move through matter, not only through air or gas, but also sound can move through solid and liquid. Now, which state of matter sound moves the fastest? Is it solid, liquid, or gas? The correct answer is solid. Sound travels fastest through a solid because the particles are closely packed together. Let's make telephone cups. Tie a piece of string to two cups, then talk in one end while a friend listens in the other. This explains that the sound of your voice vibrates the cup, and this causes the strings to vibrate. Our ears collect the sound vibration, sends them to our brain, then we hear the sound. As proven in this activity, sound travels faster by a solid string than by air or gas. Go try it and have fun! Sounds can have different volumes. Volume is how loud or how soft a sound is. Bigger vibrations make loud sounds. Smaller vibrations make soft sounds. Now identify the volume produced by the following. A landing airplane produces loud sounds. Chirping birds produce soft sounds. Whispers are soft sounds. Lion's roar is a loud sound. Sounds can have different pitches. Pitch is how high or low a sound is. Fast vibrations make a high pitch. Slow vibrations make a low pitch. Now identify the pitch produced by the following. Meow, meow, meow. A cat's meow is high-pitched. A cow's moo is low-pitched. A squeaking mouse is high-pitched. A lion's roar is low-pitched. Now let's see how our ears work. How do we hear sounds? Sound waves move through the air. They reach the outer ear. The sound waves move into your ear. They make the eardrum vibrate. Next, small bones in your inner ear vibrate. These vibrations move to the nerves. The nerves send a message to your brain. You hear a sound. You may use the link below to learn more how we hear sounds. It is important to protect your ears. Do not put a finger in your ear. Do not put a pencil in your ear. You may hurt the parts inside. Stay away from loud sounds. Don't forget to cover your ears. Loud sounds have a lot of energy. They can hurt the inside of your ear. Now read and answer your science textbook, pages 276 to 281. Go to your D-Campus account and download your assignment. Upload and submit your work on or before Tuesday, March 24. For any queries regarding today's lesson, I will be available for a live chat from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow.